Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and today I'm going to show you how quick and how easy it is to retain consistency when using fonts. Now here we have an image, a portrait that I shot of a gentleman called Mark. Fantastic facial hair. I shot him as part of the Mustachio Nut project. If you follow either myself or PHOTORECEPTORCELL on Instagram, you'll start to see a few of those images coming in. It's basically a project that I do every year in order to help raise money and awareness for the Prostate Cancer Research Centre. This is Mark, fantastic facial hair, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use consistent fonts. So let's begin by hitting our type tool. Now you can type absolutely anything you like in here. So I'm not going to worry too much about what the font is for the purposes of this tutorial. It's just showing you the process. It's entirely down to yourselves as to which fonts that you use. So let me click that there and type in I'll tell you what, as I mentioned, the charity project, let's give you my Just Giving page. So should you feel generous and wish to donate, you can. There we go. So let's just make that a little bit clearer for you all to see. So if you go to www.justgiving.com mnut18. Now let's make that a little bit clearer. Now, so there we go. Let's make that nice and bold. There we go. Now that font is dreadful. It's not one that you would, I would suggest you would use for any sort of promotional material. Try and make it a little bit fancy, a little bit more jazzier than that. But as I say, for this tutorial, let's go with that. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to right-click on that text layer and then simply go to Export As. There we are. Up comes that pop-up. Now as you can see, it's selected just the text and it's left the background completely transparent. Now leave everything else as it is, keep it as a PNG, as a transparency, hit export all, and then you can save that to wherever you like. So for ease of this, we'll throw it on my desktop, hit save. Lovely. Now, if I then go to open the desktop, let's find it. There it is down the bottom there. Open that up. Comes into its own layer. So if we go back into our original image, let's hide that. And if we drag and drop that text into our photo. Target different depth, yeah, don't worry, that's fine. Okay, and there we are, there it is. And then you can move that to wherever you like. And that is how simple it is to have consistency with the text that you use, so you haven't got to rack your brain trying to think of what font you used last time and the sizes. It's there, and that is adjustable as well, so if I wanted to make that smaller, I can. Command T for the transform, and then you can adjust the size of that and move that wherever you like. There you go, guys. Hope you found that useful, and I shall see you next time.